Hello, second grade. Guess what? We are going to practice using different kinds of pronouns. We are going to look at some of the pronouns that we have learned about already in the past few weeks. I see a picture of a girl here. Some pronouns that we could use for this girl could be, let's see, she or her. Okay, so those both could be pronouns that you could use for a girl. Then I see a boy over here, and some pronouns that you could use for boys would be him or he. And then I see this group of people. It looks like a family. Some pronouns that you could use would be they or them. Okay, so right now I want to remind you that some pronouns can be used as the subject of a sentence. Some pronouns can be used after an action verb, and some pronouns show that someone owns something. Okay, keep that in mind. Now here is what you need. You are going to take out your whiteboard and your marker. You are going to read these next few sentences. We are going to look for the noun or nouns that we are going to be replacing with pronouns. Okay? So, first sentence, please read that out loud. It says, Pam's bike got a flat tire. Okay, so in this sentence, I see that they used, the noun is in the subject, and it is Pam's bike. So instead of saying Pam's bike got a flat tire, what pronoun could you use to replace Pam's bike? I want you to write that on your whiteboard. Okay, you could have used the pronoun it. It got a flat tire. Instead of saying Pam's bike got a flat tire, you could say it got a flat tire. Okay, next sentence. Please read this one out loud. Easy peasy. It says, I called my dad. I called my dad. Okay, I see an action verb here, which is called, and then I see the noun coming after that action verb. I called my dad. What pronoun could you use to take the place of my dad? Write that on your whiteboard. Okay, you could have said, I called him. Okay, him, the pronoun him, took the place of my dad. Nice job. Okay, next sentence. Please read this one out loud. It says, my dad thought it was my bike. My dad thought it was my bike. Okay, so I see that we have underlined the noun my bike. My dad thought it was my bike. What pronoun could you use to take the place of the noun my bike? Write that on your whiteboard. Okay, my dad thought it was mine. Do you see how the word mine is showing that somebody owns the bike? That is mine. Okay? Nice job practicing. That is all for now. Bye.